Withdrawing funds from DoorDash is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you successfully access your earnings. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your Dasher account to access your earnings. Step 2. Navigate to Earnings. Once you are in the app, tap on the Earnings tab located at the bottom of the screen. This section will show you your total earnings and any pending payments. Step 3. Select Withdraw Funds. In the Earnings section, look for the Withdraw or Cash Out option. Tap on it to proceed to the withdrawal process. Step 4. Choose Withdrawal Amount. You will be prompted to enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Decide whether you want to withdraw your entire balance or a specific amount, then confirm your selection. Step 5. Confirm Withdrawal Method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, your funds will be processed according to the selected method. Make sure to check your bank account or payment method for the transferred funds.